Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's wife, Pinota Baloyi, has drawn public attention with a Christmas message celebrating family unity, words that have also been read by some observers as carrying a deeper political subtext amid ongoing succession tensions within ZANU-PF. Tarabina mashukubla nyukapangwa inachizimini Baloyi throws a controversial Christmas message. Lova subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina manau, ubda nyukamchinsi. Posting on Facebook on Christmas Eve, Baloyi shared a throwback photograph of what she described as her first Christmas with a blended family, using the moment to reflect on African traditions of extended family, sharing, and collective happiness. In a message that she framed as personal and cultural, Baloyi wrote verbatim, "Throwback. This was the first Christmas with my blended family. I believe in the African setup of an extended family where we spend time together, eat from the same dishes. I remember when I was young in Velabusi when we shared bread with jam, raspberry drink diluted in one bucket, ate rice and meat from the same big dish using our hands, went to one homestead, danced to some music, etc. The happiness that came with the sharing. Nowadays, I see people of means with almost everything. They don't share anything with anyone yet. Still, they are not happy. May this Christmas be different. Reach out to the extended family. Share something with someone. Your neighbors, etc. Sana inefungwa sikuti amazinzi no roya. Love them. Share with them the little that you have. Christmas time is time for giving because God gave us the gift of His beloved Son. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thomas Shokanyogwa na Vice President's wife, Minnie Baloyi. Zimai ino shikomenda chiti neither Baloyi nor the Vice President has offered any political interpretation of the post, and there is no indication that the message was intended as a direct intervention in party politics. Nevertheless, in a ruling party where symbolism, message, and silence are often closely scrutinized, the post is added to ongoing speculation about unity, power, and succession within ZANU-PF as the party looks towards post-Mnangagwa era. Do mashuko alipo vina comment section ili zofungwa ili matulipa msoro pichitu kwichi. So subscribe or like, chidon on the bell icon.